Good morning students, I am Shomajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic different families. First we'll discuss the one family in one class. So today I'll discuss the family Fabaceae. So watch the entire lecture to get basics out of it. So today I'll discuss family Fabaceae from the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants. So without any delay, let's start. So let's see the semi-technical description of a typical flowering plant at first. So the plant is described beginning with its habit, vegetative characters, and then the floral parts. Alright, so you can see then the floral diagram and floral formula are presented. So first you can see the floral formula. First you can see plus sign, that is actinomorphic sign. Next is a bisexual sign. Then calyx. Calyx is denoted by a capital K. And corolla sign is denoted by capital C. Then androecium sign, and then a gynoecium sign. So right side you can see the floral diagram of a mustard plant, and left side is a floral formula of mustard. So you can see the floral diagram of mustard plant family Brassicaceae. You can see the mother axis, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So the symbols used in floral formula, alright, first is BR, that is bracteate. Calyx is described as K. Corolla is short form is C. Alright, so again I repeat, bracteate short form is BR, calyx short form is K, corolla short form is C, perianth short form is P. So androecium symbol is A. You can see the different symbols are given. For gynoecium it's given G. For superior ovary is G, and below G you have to underline. For inferior ovary you can write G, and above G you will underline. Male you will write, that is a male sign, and then female sign, then a bisexual sign, actinomorphic sign, zygomorphic sign, fusion brackets. First bracket if they are the fusion, and if they are on top of any addition, that is addition. Alright, so these are the symbols used for floral formula. You can see a floral formula is given on top. Alright, as a male sign, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, everything is given. So in a floral formula, fusion is indicated by enclosing the figure within brackets and addition by a line drawn above the symbol of the floral parts. So floral formula also shows cohesion and addition within parts of whole and in between wholes. So a floral diagram gives information about the number of parts of a flower, their arrangement and relation. Alright, so floral diagram gives information about the number of parts of a flower, the arrangement and relation. So fusion are there for the first bracket. You can see the addition. So you can see the mother axis, the dot in a floral diagram. You can see a dot, that is a mother axis. Below that is calyx, then below that is corolla, then androecium, then gynoecium. Now moving to the families, we are entering into the families where we will study the above symbols that are used in floral formula and the diagrams that are used in floral diagram. We'll see all this one by one in different families. So first family we'll see Fabaceae. So what is Fabaceae? This family was earlier called Papilionoideae, and subfamily is a subfamily of family Leguminaceae. Alright, so this family were earlier called as Papilionoideae. Now it is called as Fabaceae, and a subfamily of Leguminaceae. Alright, so this Fabaceae is a subfamily of family Leguminaceae, and it is distributed all over the world. Now let's see its vegetative characters. You can see the right hand side there is a example of Fabaceae. So vegetative characters, they are trees, shrubs, herbs, roots with root nodule can be seen. Stems, they are erect or climber. Leaves, they are alternate, pinnately compound or simple. Leaf base, pulvinate, stipulate, and venations are reticulate. So you can see in leaves there are reticulate venations. Moving to their floral characters, regarding inflorescence, that's a racemose inflorescence. Regarding flowers, bisexual and zygomorphic. Regarding calyx, sepals 5. Alright, so sepals are 5 gamosepalous. imbricate estivation. You see 5 sepals are there. They're camosepalous, that means sepals are fused. And we have imbricate estivation. And corolla, petals 5 petals, polypetalous, papilionaceous, consisting of a posterior standard, two or two lateral wing, two anterior ones, forming a keel, enclosing stamens and pistil. Vexillary estivation, they have estivation, that is vexillary estivation. You can see the floral diagram on top and floral formula below. In Fabaceae we have a percentage. In floral formula you see first is percentage sign, that is a zygomorphic, that means this flower can be divided equally in just one plane. Zygomorphic, then bisexual sign, then calyx denoted as capital K, they are 5 and they are fused. Then corolla, they are found in 1 plus 2 plus 2, that means 2 are fused, alright. So 5 corolla are there. Now androecium, they are 9 plus 2, that is found in 2 bundles, 9 is fused and 1 is free. Then gynoecium, this is a superior ovary and 1 gynoecium. Now you can see few more floral characters are there. One is androecium. Androecium is 10 diadelphous and anthers are dithecous. So 10 androecium is there. Diadelphous, see 2 bundles they are present, 9 plus 1, 9 are fused and 1 is free. And gynoecium, their ovary is superior, they are monocarpillary, unilocular with many ovules, and style is single. Regarding fruit, they are legume, seed, one to many, non-endospermic. So these fruits are non-endospermic fruits. Now moving to the economic importance. So first we'll see the family Fabaceae. What is the economic importance? Pulses, edible oil, dye, fibers, fodder, ornamentals, medicine. So in pulses, example there are gram, arahar, sam, moog and soybean. These Fabaceae are very diversified. You can see Fabaceae, few Fabaceae are pulses, few Fabaceae gives edible oil, example soybean and groundnut, and few forms dye, that is indigofera. Few are fibers, example sunhemp. Few Fabaceae are fodder, that is sesbania and trifolium. Few Fabaceae are ornamental, example lupin, sweet pea. And few Fabaceae forms medicine, that is muliathi. Alright, so these are the economic importance of the family Fabaceae. You can see the figures on the right hand side. Thank you student. This was all about the entire lecture. Here I have discussed about the family Fabaceae from the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants. Hope you have understood the very lecture. So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomujesa signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you students.